Are you looking to make your text really stand out, and that too with a unique design? The Gradient Stroke Text widget from WDesignKit's free plan is exactly what you need. This creative effect adds a vibrant gradient outline to your text, giving it depth and making it pop on your page. Setting it up is quick and simple with the WDesignKit WordPress plugin, and it integrates seamlessly with Elementor, ensuring a smooth design process. Additionally, it's also fully responsive, looks great on any device, and is 100% optimized for SEO. So, let's quickly dive in and explore how you can customize this widget to give your text a stunning and eye-catchy look. The widget we will be using here is offered by WDesignKit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We will discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor, and we will also need WDesignKit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it, and here it is, WDesignKit. Simply click on Install Now, then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance, and here as you can notice, I'm using Nexter theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with WDesignKit. Simply come here and click on WDesignKit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written Don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widget, so come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widgets. Now search Gradient. Out of these three, we are going to make use of this one, that is Gradient Stroke Text for Elementor. Simply download it by clicking on this icon. After that, let's also make sure it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. Now on opening the Elementor editor, here's the basic page design where I have already imported the widget. If you want to do the same, simply come here in the Widgets panel and search Gradient. Then drag and drop it inside the workspace. Moving further, once you have added the widget to your page, the first thing to do is to set up the text itself. So, under the Content tab within this drop-down, you will find an option to enter your desired text. Simple enough, right? Cool. Now focusing down below, we also get to choose between two text types that are animated for dynamic moving effect and normal for a sleek static design. Let me tell you that each one of these brings its unique charm, so simply pick the one that best fits your site's vibe. That's it. Next up, let's talk about gradients. Here, you will find options for fill and stroke gradients. Now these, my friends, are the heart of the widget's creative power. The fill gradient lets you flood your text with a blend of colors, creating vibrant, eye-catching design. Meanwhile, the stroke gradient works its magic on the text outline, delivering a stylish, modern touch. I'll recommend you just play around with both of these to see which one works better for your design. Moving ahead now, if you're looking to fine-tune the look of your text even further, let's head over to the Style tab. And here, as you can see, are all the color settings to make your text shine even brighter. Also, this is not all, my friend. You can adjust the stroke color, make the stroke width thicker or thinner like this. And in case you want to give a little extra depth to your text, simply go ahead and use the text shadow setting. Let me tell you that adding a shadow like this can give your text more dimension and help it stand out from the background. Additionally, also if you want, you can adjust the shadow's blur, spread and color just by dragging these buttons and straight away get the exact look you want. Saying that, it's done. We've covered all the major customization options and our gradient stroke text is ready to go live. This only means one thing. It's time for me to go ahead, click on update and check out the final result. Now, don't forget to explore other amazing features WDesignKit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget builder using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and bricks. Using WDesignKit page builder converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the Power WordPress users who create multiple websites, WDesignKit also comes with its cloud workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but WDesignKit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. So that was it. Hope you've liked the tutorial already. If you're curious, be sure to check out our next tutorial video where I will show you how to create a seamless product showcase with interactive hover effects. Most probably, we'll be uploading this video next week, so don't you forget to press that little bell icon while you subscribe to our channel. This way you will get notified each time we upload a new video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and stay creative.